In this video, I'm going to show you the best way to get rich fast and grow a garden in Roblox. So we're gonna go from beginner to a bit more advanced. Now let's say you just started the game and you don't have a garden like I do, which has a lot of plants in here. What I would actually recommend is going to the seed shop and then just waiting over here for restocks. Now mine just got a restock, and I would just recommend you first buy a lot of carrot seeds. Now once you buy these carrot seeds over here, of course you can just go and plant them. Now at the very beginning you won't have enough money, so you'll basically only be able to buy carrot seeds. So what I would actually recommend is just buying those carrot seeds and then planting them down. I have a couple over here, as you can see, and then just harvesting them and reselling them to the merchant. Now, these are just the basics over here. Make sure you watch this video till the end, because I'm gonna give you some very unknown tricks of how you can actually get a lot of money very quickly. So you can just plant these down, they grow within just like a couple of seconds over here, and then you can sell these for some nice profits, which you can then continue with. So after you do that, I would actually recommend you get these blueberries over here, as well as the strawberries. So the strawberries and blueberries are quite cheap, and these, as you can see, I have them over here on the left, they can produce a lot of crops. If I just go through a blueberry and strawberry farm over here, as you can see, I'm now getting a lot of these in my inventory, and as you were also able to see, I got a lucky harvest, which means that once you just harvest crops, so you have to get a bit lucky, but once you hit the lucky harvest, you'll get a free seed, which of course gives you a basically cost-free seed you can plant and then use to further get more of your fruits over here. So I would recommend, there we go, I already have max backpack space, so just use and basically collect as much strawberries and blueberries as you can, because these grow up very quickly. After that, go to the merchant and then just sell that as well. Now, one thing after that, what I would recommend is actually that you go for tomatoes and then the orange tulips in case they are in stock, because these are very easy to get. Tomatoes grow very quickly, as well as the tulips, and you can buy them for a lot of money. But those are just the basic. Now here's a bonus trick I'm gonna give you right now, which can actually boost your profits by a lot. So what actually people have been doing in the game, I've been seeing that, and I've also been a victim of that, if I can say so. People have just been on the servers and just typing in like that. They just went to chat and typed in please fruit or something like that, and then somebody would just walk up and gift you some fruits. People are usually nice, they will get you some nice fruit. So just walk up to a person, in case you have somebody like this dude over here, a panda pan for example. So you can just walk up to him and then ask for fruits, and if people are nice enough, sometimes they will give you fruits which can sell for thousands. And of course, if somebody gives you a fruit that sells for thousands, you can then get like a few $1,000 over here. He said 1 minute, as you can see, he's gonna likely give me something over here just to show you as an example. And then after you do that, you can sell that and get some better seeds. Now, as you can see, this dude just walked up to me. There we go. And I'm gonna accept this. There we go. And that's pretty much it. So as you can see, he just gave me a duraim, basically. If I look up for this, how much it costs, there we go. This is the one he gave me. Let's just walk up to the sell shop. And how much is this worth? There we go, as you can see, 6,000. And as you probably know, you can buy a lot of things for 6,000 over here in the shop. You can get yourself a lot of different seeds you can then plant. So that is one of the quickest ways to actually do this. Now, after that, I also have another tip. So what you want to do to actually max your profits, besides what I just showed you, is of course, once you get those legendary different plants. So for example, let's say over here, apple seed or bamboo. Bamboos are great. If you get the thunderstorm and there's lightning, and a bamboo gets struck by lightning, it can actually turn into some very valuable bamboos, which can be selling for millions, okay? And of course, mango and dragon fruit, cactus, those are all very valuable, not to speak of grape and mushroom, which can also sell for a lot. So besides that, besides just growing your plants, what you actually should do as well is you want to do these events over here. So in the middle, currently we have this angry plant, but there used to be the Easter event, etc. And if you basically just talk to this plant and give it what it wants, you can get yourself some free seeds, free seed packs with some very good seeds that sell for a lot of cash and money. So those are the tips. That's what I would just do. And then of course after that you want to use sprinklers, which you can get in the gear shop, and just like this one over here, you can place these sprinklers down. They will boost the sizes of your fruits, the speed of your fruits growing, as well as the chances of mutations. And mutations are golden and rainbow and stuff like that. And if you actually manage to sell those fruits and get them into your inventory, you'll be able to get a lot of money for just selling those yourself as well. So those are my recommendations for actually becoming rich fast in Grow a Garden. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.